Hi everyone, welcome back to Level Up Learning Center. If your child is doing IGCSE or A levels, you have probably wondered, should I get them a tutor or how do I know who's actually good? We get this question from parents all the time. So, in this video, I'm going to break down what actually makes a great tutor, not just someone who knows the subject, but someone who really helps your child thrive.
Hi, let's start from this point because this is the biggest and most important point of all that I have to notice. So, a tutor who has taught ICSE or CBSE math or science might be generally very good in concepts and subject. They might have taught for so many years in general. But when it comes to Cambridge exams, it's a different ball game altogether. So we need someone who knows the syllabus, maybe. Syllabus keeps changing every 3 to 4 years. The expectation from the examiners are different at Cambridge when compared to CBSE or ICSE. You need a tutor who knows Cambridge command words, like let's say disperse, evaluate, recommend, justifying. So what are these words? What are the requirements when questions come up with these words? How to encourage students to think critically and write answers. These are some things that teachers should know when they are teaching the A-level series. At Level Up, we have Cambridge trained tutors, Cambridge examiners, teachers with years of experience in the syllabus, and therefore, that is one of the biggest factor I would say. A good tutor just doesn't say, here's the answer. We need tutors who help students understand why something works, why something is correct or wrong, or even help children make their own conclusions from the list of concepts that they have learned. Like I said, there is more evaluation, critical thinking that is needed in Cambridge exams. So we need a teacher who encourages students to work on all these skills and not just someone who doubts information, asks children to memorize and write it in the books. So that is another important point to keep in mind. No two learners are the same. If you look at the range of students who come to Level Up, you can see that some students want only offline classes. Some prefer online. Some want tutors to come to their house and they want to learn at the comfort experience. This is with regard to place where the study is conducted. Another thing that we have noticed is that students want help with specific subjects. They want solely tuition. They want support to the entire academic year. They want to do mock papers, get them correct, and book feedback always. They don't want classes. So these are all different things that students or learners want from teachers. So when you're trying to find an tutor, see if they are flexible and adaptable to each learner's need. Even the way they learn. Do they want it to be taught? Do they just want the recap and they want to put question papers only? Do they want to make notes after you teach? All these matter. So parents should be able to find a tutor who's accommodative of all these needs. What I have seen over the years is that IGCSE and A-level, more than content with a subject, it also depends on the study skills that the teacher provides the learners with. How to manage time, how to plan or structure a 10-mark question, a 25-mark question. If it is an evaluate question, how much should that evaluation be for? What should be the format that we should follow? You can even talk about how to read a comprehension passage properly. What are things I should highlight before writing answer based on the comprehension passage. So it all comes down to exam skills that are specific to Cambridge board requirements. A tutor should be willing to pass on those strategies to their learners to help them effectively score in the exams, to help them effectively complete the paper in the exam. So find a tutor who helps you with it. You don't want to find a tutor who just says, you've got so much, you can do better next time, study and come back, can you do? They need to give students specific feedback. You lost most of your mark in the 2-mark questions. You've lost most of your mark because you didn't justify your answer properly. You've lost most of your marks because you use the calculator for non-calculator, something like that. So specific feedback is very, very important for students. We have seen students who write mock and come to us and they get the feedback and they come back again to do the next mock, keeping that feedback in mind. And it has helped them improve their sports tremendously. So at Level Up, we do mock, we do division, we give feedback. So find a tutor who is able to do all this with the child, conduct mocks, give them immediate feedback, give them specific strategies to structure their answers. These all pave a long way in helping them improve their skills. What I was noticed over the years is children who do their IGCSE and A levels, especially children who do their board exams in their grade 10, 11, 12, are very, very stressed. They have exam anxiety. They want teachers who are supportive of their emotional needs. They want teachers to create a safe space in the classroom. So, one of the most important criteria, you can knowing content, knowing how to deal with the paper, helping the plans of the exams. This is one of the most important factors. They want a teacher who doesn't teach them, who is very good with regard to communication, who's understanding of the child's stress or anxiety and is willing to walk around. So find a teacher who creates that safe space for your child. Find a teacher who is willing to listen to your issues with the child with regard to the subject so that they can plan the class accordingly. They can support the child appropriately. For more such updates about IGCSE, A levels, and IBDP, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.